I spent 15 years glued to my phone. And it rewired my brain in ways I'm only now understanding. What if the anxiety you feel isn't yours? What if it was installed in you deliberately by engineers in Silicon Valley? You wake up and reach for the screen before your eyes adjust. You scroll through faces living lives that feel better than yours. You put it down. You pick it back up. That itch in your chest never stops. Your attention feels scattered like broken glass. And you blame yourself for being weak. If nothing changes, this becomes your default state forever. Not dramatic collapse. Something quieter. A slow erosion of presence. Years passing while you watch them through a 4-inch window. Jonathan Haidt wrote The Anxious Generation to name what happened to us. In 2012, something broke. Smartphones and social media reached critical mass. And childhood, real childhood, ended. Your generation was the last to play outside unsupervised. Everything after was an experiment none of us consented to. Your phone is not a tool anymore. It's a slot machine engineered to hijack your dopamine system. Every notification triggers the same brain circuitry as a casino. You're not lacking discipline. You're fighting a billion-dollar algorithm designed by the smartest engineers alive. And they want you to lose. Tonight, charge your phone outside your bedroom. Not on your nightstand. Another room entirely. Reclaim the first and last moments of your day. Start there. You become someone who protects their own mind. Someone who chooses what enters their attention. Not controlled. Not reactive. Sovereign over your inner world. You were not born anxious. You were trained to be. Unlearning takes time. But the door is already open. If this reached you tonight, subscribe to Society Revolution. We do this together. Your peace is worth defending.